There are 3 steps to evolving here at Blue Model Coaching. First, we're going to enlighten. We're going to tap into who you are. You're going to learn yourself, enlighten yourself about yourself. Second, we're going to elevate. We're going to move out of the old habits that don't serve the enlightenment and elevate into who you're meant to be. And then third, we're going to emerge. We're going to embrace who you are and let the blessings fall into place. Blue Model Coaching is a full-service empowerment company specializing in building confidence, teaching industry techniques, and evolving models and everything to their full potential. So I wanted to do this workshop because I feel like it is important to build people's confidence. You know, we live in a world where it's tough right now. We have social media and everybody's comparing each other or themselves to other people, and you know, I do it too. You know, I'm human. We're all human. We go through things. We have moments in life where it's really, really good, and we have moments where it's really, really bad. And so, in both moments, we should be, you know, working on our self-care, working on ourselves, and making sure that we're maintaining that confidence. So this is a part of my confidence building class that I have. I do have my coaching business. I do a lot of different services. Do not compare yourself to no one. You are your own uniquely beautiful person. When you compare yourself to others, you open up the door for negativity to enter into your life. Just be the best version of you. And that is whatever that means for you. There's no one that can do you like you can, right? Like, I can't be you. I can't be you. Turn all negative thoughts into positive thoughts. This is something that is very hard to do, but it is very possible. There's always a positive to a negative, but just remember to seek for the positives in everything. So again, this is something that can be very hard in our very tough, low moments in life. But eventually when we get out of those tough moments in life, we do see that there was a reason for them. We learn a lesson in them. Sometimes it's right then and there, sometimes it's way later years on. But eventually you do find that positive in that negative space. So, you know, we're gonna do that here today with this workshop. More so with yourself. We're gonna take a moment, you know, do this at home. Do this in your alone time. It's really, really helpful. So we're gonna tap in. I'm gonna give everybody a moment to write 3 things that you love about yourself. Write 3 things that you want to start loving. And then give yourself 3 compliments, okay? Give yourself a moment. I'm gonna do one thing that I love about myself would be my caring, loving, and understanding heart. And I struggle with lovingness, I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I feel like it's a gift and a curse. Sometimes I can overcare and care for the wrong person. And, you know, be caught up in a situation where I completely forget about myself, and now I'm engulfed in somebody else's life. So I'm loving it, but I have to learn to find a balance, right? So that's something that I've realized.
My heart / strength. I have a big one. It's not as big though as it used to be because I'm setting boundaries, trying to.
I wouldn't say that. I would say that your heart is still big because I struggle with the same thing.
Yeah.
But when you're setting boundaries, now you're putting your heart in a space where it's
protecting
protected.
it. I'm protecting it.
Yeah.
I'm protecting it.
Yeah.
And I love my eyes.
Yeah.
I never really paid attention to them too much. And then people like over the years said, "You're really beautiful."
What I love about myself, I love my face. That's why I cut all my hair off.
Nice.
Yeah, I cut my hair off years ago, but everybody was like, "Oh my God, you got your hair." And I'm like, I felt the most beautiful when I cut all my hair off. And I was just like, wow, I'm like, you could really see yourself. You know?
Yeah.
So when I did that, I felt like, oh, it's even more confident. I was like, I don't need no hair. You know, I could be bald headed.
You believe God's got you, right?
Oh, absolutely.
Right. So in those moments, if you do move, He's gonna get you there too, right?
Well, he got me.
Right.
You know
what I mean?
when you take the leap
Mm-hmm.
and you get to the other side and you
Just
realize
take the
it wasn't
leap.
even that scary,
Right.
then you're like, what was I scared of? But then you face another puddle.
Of course.
And you gotta get over it.
Another
And you
leap.
say, well, what about this puddle ain't like the last puddle? What about it was, what about it's not that easy? So it's just those things.
Definitely. And then you're gonna grab a marker and write on the mirror that positive perspective. And then say it to yourself while you're looking at yourself. But we'll do that after we're done writing. So I'll give you guys a moment.